Most reviews on Go Digital Income tell you what it's supposed to do. I wanted to know what it actually does, so I put it through the matrix, broke down the mechanism, checked the ingredients, looked at what real users are reporting. This is the review matrix. Here's what I found. Here's what's actually going on with trying to build an online income. Most people dealing with it aren't failing because they haven't tried. They're failing because the things they've tried only address surface-level tactics, not the real reason the money never lasts. That quiet frustration of doing everything right, buying every course and still not moving forward, that's the gap Go Digital Income is designed for. When I broke down how Go Digital Income actually works, it targets sustainable digital assets directly, not just spamming links or chasing hype. That's the distinction that matters. Most alternatives work at the symptom level with flash-in-the-pan loopholes, which is why you get results that fade. This goes a layer deeper. It relies on proven long-term business models without the usual tech overwhelm, more targeted, less guesswork. Running through the key components, the connector stream, this is the one that stood out most because it directly addresses the fear of selling. You learn affiliate marketing by acting as a trusted guide, linking buyers to proven offers without ever showing your face or acting pushy. The marketplace stream, which I hadn't seen formulated this way in this category before. Instead of building an audience from scratch, it shows you how to drop high-margin digital products into existing marketplaces where the buyers already are. The community stream, easy to overlook, but it's what makes the other two actually compound instead of cancel each other out. This teaches you how to build a simple email list and newsletter so you actually own your audience long-term. Based on the breakdown and what consistent users are reporting, early on, days 1 to 7, most people notice the friction is gone. They stop overthinking and actually get their first income stream switched on. Midterm, days 14 to 30, that tends to build into your first steady commissions and a massive shift in confidence. Longer term, you gain true financial breathing room. You aren't panicking about next month because you have a compounding digital asset. Not a straight line, but a clear direction. That's what the pattern shows. The protocol is simple. Log into the single dashboard and activate your streams in 3 steps using the optional AI automation. Fits into a 20 to 30-minute daily routine without friction. The timeline most people report meaningful results, 3 to 4 weeks. Not a disclaimer, just how cumulative mechanisms work. The first week is laying the foundation. The compounding kicks in after. One variable I always factor in, refund policy. Go Digital Income comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. I treat that as a confidence metric. Companies don't offer real return windows on products they know underdeliver. It also means if it doesn't work for your situation, you're not absorbing the full risk. That's a relevant input. If the mechanism checks out for your situation and the problem I described is where you actually are, the link to the official page is in the description. Direct link, no resellers, no markup. Go through it, cross-check what I've covered, and run your own matrix. You've got everything you need to decide. That's the full matrix on Go Digital Income. Mechanism checked, features broken down, risk assessed. The call is yours.